So we are installing these IMR secondary cat delete pipes. 2023 G70 3.3. As you see, no cat. So luckily these came with flex pipe on there for better fitment. So if you order them now, the first few batches did not have the flex pipe on there, but these now have the flex pipe, and there's only 4 bolts you gotta take it loose. And these bolts are a 19. So those two right there gets you an extension, gets you 19, should come right off. And these in the rear, if I can get to it, which are there. So an extension should be pretty easy. Get to these side bolts here, a little bit of angle, it should be easy to reach. And so these are the cats we're deleting. Keeping my primary cats, but we'll delete these secondary cats, get a little better flow. And I will be keeping the resonators and the mufflers on back. So we'll get these off, get these secondary cats off, do a little sound clip, see what's up. Alright, got the IMR secondary downpipes installed from Evans. Shout out to Evans. The only thing is I didn't have any hardware, so back here the stock exhaust has studs and bolts. So the aftermarket exhaust does not have any studs, and luckily I had some bolts at the house, so I put those bolts in there, and they come on up. And here there's nuts welded on the bracket on the stock exhaust. This didn't have any nuts, so once again I had to use what I had. I have one bolt per size, all I had at home, but that should hold it. And here we got our flex pipe, and those are 2 bolts that go in there, so should sound good. I believe this is a 3-inch and stock is a 2-inch, but stock is actually a pancake. So for stock, it's actually a pancake style exhaust pipe, but I think the OD is technically 2.5, and at least maybe 2.5 here, and the aftermarket one's a 3. And there we got the stock cats. So these are going, these are secondary cats, so no O2, no engine light, no emissions issue. We'll see how she sound.